In my video guide, I will give you instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Trippy Circles. Trippy Circles is a special extension for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that by creating amazing animation on each new tab, Trippy Circles will help you enjoy your time on web. To be honest, I don't really understand the real purpose of this extension. In my opinion, it doesn't really represent any value. But this extension actually also operates as a browser hijacker because it changes the default search engine to Bing without users' permission. This extension may be spread through integration with many free applications. It may also be presented as some fake software or browser update. So if it was mistakenly added to your Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then disable this extension and remove it from Chrome. Finally, I recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.